Coach, I just want to step back pre-game. Saw you aware that Australia and New Zealand played and the score 33 to 1 favor of the All Blacks. Did that factor into the change room and alter your approach prior to the game? And pretty much that. Did it change your approach in any way?
I think the first thing that we realised is that because Australia didn't win, Argentina would think they were in with a chance, or not think they were in with a chance, and if they scored 5 points in this game, they were really in the mix. If Australia won, they would have been out of it. So I think the first thing we took out of that is, hey, let's just grind this game out and win. And I think if you saw the first half, we took the penalties, they took the penalties, and you never know when it's going to open up. So we really didn't try to open it up right from the beginning because we just wanted to have a win. We always try next week to get 5 points or whatever the log might say. But the most important thing that was Argentina. I thought God must have had belief from that result because if they beat us here, even not even with 5 points, they would have been on 13. And then next week, if Australia beat New Zealand and they beat us again, they would have been in the mix. So it was more for us to know how desperate Argentina would have been on the day. I think that was probably helping and motivating us even more.